Electrical discharge machining. Wire EDM machining works by creating an electrical discharge between the wire or the electrode and the workpiece. As the spark jumps across the gap, material is then removed from the workpiece and the electrode. Electrical discharge machining, EDM, also known as spark machining, spark eroding, die sinking, wire burning, or wire erosion, is a metal fabrication process whereby a desired shape is obtained by using electrical discharges, that is, sparks. This diagram indicates electrical discharge machining, that is EDM. It consists DC supply, servo control, servo motor, gearbox, feed, tool, workpiece, fixture, base, flow control valve, pressure gauge, dielectric fluid, container, pump, filter, etc. Electrical discharge machining principle. In this process, metal is removed by powerful electric spark. Electrical discharge machine, also known as spark erosion machining. Construction. Workpiece is held in the dielectric fluid. Positive terminal is connected with the workpiece. Negative terminal is connected with the tool. Tool is used as a hollow and it is made by copper or brass. Dielectric fluid is passed in the tool pipe 0.005 mm to 0.05 mm gap is maintained between the workpiece and tool. Electrical discharge machining working. When the DC supply is given, electric spark is produced in the gap and high heat, that is 1200 degrees centigrade, is produced. Small area of the material is melted by this heat. Molten metal is splitted into small particles. These particles are carried away by the dielectric fluid. The dielectric fluids generally used are petroleum-based hydrocarbons, that is paraffin, transformer oil, kerosene, mineral oil, etc. Dielectric fluid also acts as a coolant. In this diagram indicate electrical discharge machining. Surface finish. As with all machining processes, there is a balance between cutting speed and surface finish quality. It is common for the initial cut to be faster and rougher. Then the subsequent cuts made at a slower speed to produce a clean surface finish. Further, two passes can be made at slower speed to create an excellent surface finish, but this increases machining time and thus cost. Advantages. Fast process, conductive materials can be machined, complex and irregular surface can be machined. Disadvantages. High electric power is needed, suitable only for conductive materials. Square corners cannot be formed. Application of electrical discharge machining. Applications used to make small holes in the nozzle. It is used to machining hard and brittle materials. It is used to cutting off the workpiece. It is used to sharpening the tool and cutters. Thank you.